Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kusmiati. You can call me Tati. I'm from Pekalongan. Today I'm going to talk about the Indonesian legal system. Firstly, I'm going to explain about constitution in Indonesian. Secondly, I'm going to explain about hierarchy of legislation in Indonesian. Then I'm going to explain about the administrative structure in Indonesian. I will try to answer any of your questions after presentation. I'd like to start by the Indonesian legal system. The Indonesian legal system is complex because it is a confluence of three distinct systems. Prior to the first appearance of Dutch traders and colonists in the late 16th century and early 17th century, indigenous kingdom prevailed and applied a system of adat or customary law. Dutch present and subsequent colonization during the next 3,050 years until the end of World War II left a legacy of Dutch colonial law. A number of such colonial legislation continue to apply today. Subsequently, after Indonesia declared independence of 17 August 1945, the Indonesian authorities began creating a national legal system based on Indonesian precepts of law and justice. These three strands of adat law, Dutch colonial law, and national coexist in modern Indonesia. Well, I have told you about the Indonesian legal system. We'll move on to constitution in Indonesia. To understand modern Indonesia legal system, some background must be given regarding the Indonesian constitutional structure. Indonesia is unitary republic established pursuant to the Constitution declared at independence, commonly called the 1945 Constitution or Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. During the 32-year period when Suharto was in power, the 1945 Constitution was never amended. After his resignation in May 1998, the 1945 Constitution was amended 4 times. That's all I have to say about Constitution in Indonesian. Next, hierarchy of legislation in Indonesian. In an effort to clarify the status of various types of legislation, in August 2000, the MPR, the following official hierarchy of legislation. The first, 1945 Constitution, MPR regulation, law, government regulation substituting a law, government regulation, presidential decree, and regional regulation. I have told you about hierarchy of legislation in Indonesian. Next, administrative structure in Indonesian. Overall, the administrative structure in Indonesian is as follows: territory head and unit head. In conclusion, the Indonesian legal system is complex because it is a confluence of three distinct systems. The three strands of adat law, Dutch colonial law, and national law coexist in modern Indonesia. Hierarchy of legislation is 1945 Constitution, MPR regulation, law, government regulation substituting a law, government regulation, presidential decree, regional regulation. The administrative structure is as follows: territory head, and unit head. Thank you so much for your attention. Can I answer any question?